Your 6 will land on green.
Like 169. I'm gonna use my 4. I don't think my 6 will make it.
Nice, nice. On the green?
Yeah.
That's good. Nice par, nice par. You miss your birdie though.
I know.
Birdie would be nice. Nice, nice, nice. Birdie putt again.
Go.
Oh, that's very nice, very nice.
Look at that.
Nice, nice. On green?
Yeah, I'm on the green.
Good.
It's a really fun putt.
It's about 40 feet away from the hole. Well, you missed your birdie, but hopefully you'll make it for your par.
I can't.
Nice par. Nice. Right on the fairway.
Oh, how to get that?
Second hit, par 5. Nice, nice. All right, baby, see if we can get birdie. Oh, nice birdie.
Oh my gosh.
Stay on the right so you are not in trouble. At least on the green. Nice, nice. Right on green.
Good.
All right, baby, see if we can make it a birdie putt.
Oh my gosh, no.
Well, just don't miss your par.
Oh my gosh.
Well, good par. Right, this is hole 9 at the ponds. Nice. Second hit. 250, or 200 yards from the pin. What? It's on green.
Am I on the green?
Yeah,
Am I really?
yeah. To the left though. I thought it was on the green, but it's on the bunker. Nice out.
Well, I got out.
It's okay, just go here, I'll fix it.
Should I use my 9?
Alright, par for par. I mean chipping for par. Stay on the left.
Sit.
Alright, everybody par for bogey. Nice bogey. Well, 3 under is not bad.